Alright you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I do have a drugstore haul, and you guys know how these videos go. Basically, you go to the store for like 1 or 2 things, and then you come out with like 20 items that you didn't plan. So that's literally what happened to me. I went to Walmart and Target this morning and just bought a bunch of makeup and skincare and just random tools and items as well. So if you guys want to stick around and see what I got in here, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so looking at the bags, I'm not sure if I want to start off with Target or Walmart. I'm not sure, but I do think I'll go with Walmart for now for the first bag. So I got a lot of cool items in here. I'm just gonna grab random stuff, you guys. I'm not gonna go in any specific order. So the first one I got was a Freeman Micro Darts Pro dark spot patches, and this is what it is. Basically, you guys know I do have a lot of dark marks on my cheek area, my chin, and so on. It only comes with 2 for about $5, which is pretty pricey because I mean I have a lot of dark spots everywhere. So with that being said, I'm gonna test it out on my chin first because that's where I have a lot of dark spots, and see if it works. It says on here it's 100% safe and painless, so we shall see how I feel about this. Moving on to the next one, I did get the Kiss Glue Off Instant False Nail Remover. You guys do know I have press-ons now, and look at this cute set that I have. It's called Chic and Cheetah by LA Colors. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. But when it comes to taking off press-on nails, I just have such a hard time. So with this, it just looks pretty promising, and all you have to do is apply the liquid on there, lift it off, and you're good to go. So it looks super easy. I can't wait to test this out and see if it actually works for my nails. Okay, so moving on to the next 2 items, I did pick up the L'Oreal liquid lipsticks, and these 2 are actually on clearance. I'm not sure why, but it's their liquid lipsticks, and I've always wanted to try the shade Amaze. It's a corally like brownie liquid lipstick. Is just so beautiful to me. And this next shade is called Stand. This is like a gray brown liquid lipstick. Like, it looks so cute, but these 2 are on sale for $4.50 each, so that's a nice price because y'all know L'Oreal is not the cheapest when it comes to drugstore. But yeah, I just picked these up because they're on sale, and I've always wanted to test those 2 out. All right, so the next one I do have is an EcoTools Total Perfecting Blender, their Give One Gift One set. I do have it in the green version, and I really like this blender just because it's soft. It blends your foundation, concealer like no other, and it's super affordable. So I got it in this like pinkish blush color. If y'all can see it on camera, it's just cute. I didn't need another one, but like the color got me, so I had to grab that. Now, I did kind of run out of my lash glue, and the one that's from the drugstore that I really like is a Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is in the clear version, and I always grab this because when it comes to lash glue in the drugstore, I just don't think there's a lot of good ones out there. So this one honestly holds your lashes down. It doesn't come off, and it lasts all day. My other lash glue I do love is a House of Lashes glue, but that's not drugstore as well. So yeah, this one is really good, and it's only like $3 to $4. Super cheap. So I actually have only 2 more items from Walmart, and one of them is a gel polish soak off clip. And I always say this, of course, when I go to the nail salon, or when I used to go to the nail salon. They always had this, and I saw it in the store, and I just grabbed it. It's from PUEEN, if I said it correctly. So it's the word queen, but with the P in front of it. So PUEEN? I don't know, but I do believe it's new to the drugstore because it says on here new. But all you have to do in the back is get a cotton pad, soak it with some acetone, put the clips on, and you're good to go. So I had to grab this, and the reason why I got this is because of my toes, y'all. I use gel on my toes, and when I first got my toes done 2 months ago, it was all white, and now it's looking like French tips because it's completely grown out, and it's just disgusting. So I have to soak it off and do my toenails because they're terrible, y'all. And last but not least, I do have the pink Zote or Zote soap. I never know how to say this, but it's a laundry soap. But I don't use it for washing my clothes. I actually use it for my beauty blenders and all my sponges because this is just the best, most affordable option out there. Literally, all you have to do is grab your sponge, wet it, go back and forth on this, and you're good to go. So it's super affordable, and I really recommend this. Alright, so time for Targets. I do have a couple items I'm really excited about. The first one I do have is a Thayers, I can never say it correctly because of my tongue. I have their Blemish Clearing Toner, the Witch Hazel Lemon version. Now, the reason why I recommend this is because I love the original version. It's just my favorite toner out there. But this one has aloe vera and also 2% salicylic acid in there as well, because y'all, I am breaking out. I don't know what's going on. So I picked this up and I've been using it for about 2 days and I really like it. And I do believe Thayers, I know they don't state it on here, but it kind of helps me with my dark spots on my face. I do notice when I use this, it kind of like fades it away. It doesn't say it on the bottle, you guys, so I'm not saying that it, you know, claims that, but at the same time, that's what it does for my face. So I really like that product. The next one I do have is the e.l.f. Buff and Foundation Brush. I did mention in my other video, I started using a brush first for my foundation and then blend it out with a concealer just because it gives me a nice full coverage look. So I got this brush and it was super cheap, I believe about $6. So yeah, I just want to use it on my face and see if I like it. And I'm not sure, but I do think Morphe has a good, like a really good buff and foundation brush. If you do know the number, let me know down below, but I do want to pick that one up as well. All right, so moving on to the next one, I have the e.l.f. Metallic Flare Highlighter, their 24K Gold highlighter, and this just looked so pretty in the store. I kind of want to see what it would look like on my skin tone, and let me show you guys up close what it looks like open. This is so pretty, you guys, and it's so affordable at the same time. All right, so let's see what it looks like. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it is a very subtle highlighter. Like when I first saw this, I just knew it was gonna be like blinding on the face, but when I do swatch it, it's kind of like a subtle, very subtle highlighter, which is not a bad thing because I kind of like to build my highlighter up. I don't want it to be too intense right off the back, but at the same time, I feel like with this, it's a little icy for my skin, but till I put it on my face, I don't really know. All right, so moving on to the next e.l.f. one I do have, I got their Primer-Infused blush in the shade Always Spicy. To be honest, I feel like I got it because of the name. I don't know, spicy just like spoke to me. I don't know. But let me get the blush out and show y'all what it looks like, because it's like a pinky brown blush and y'all know I love that on my face. So let me get this out and show y'all what it looks like. All right, so here's the blush itself, and it actually looks really pretty. So actually I'm gonna swatch it for you guys and show you what it looks like on the skin. And this blush, y'all, it feels really soft and it's so beautiful as well. I hope y'all can see this, but it's a nice, just rosy brown blush. I love the shade. I cannot wait to wear it on my cheeks. I literally want to apply it right now and show you guys what it looks like, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm just taking a big old fluffy brush. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the cheeks, not too much, but y'all, I think this looks so pretty. Oh my goodness, and it's super pigmented, so make sure you take your time, but I just think it's a really pretty brush. And you know what's really funny, you guys? I almost didn't pick this up just because I do have a lot of blushes now, so I don't need another one. But I'm telling you right now, if you do have dark skin, brown skin, it doesn't matter. You need this blush. So I just realized I only have one more product left to share with you guys, and it's the Flamingo razor set from Target, of course. I do believe Flamingo, the brand, is only specific to Target, but they do have like wax strips and other products out there. But I did get their razor sets just because, one, it was $10, which is super affordable, because you know when it comes to a lot of razors out there, just getting the handle and like one razor itself is like $10, so you do get a lot in here. I do want to mention that they do have like a shower suction as well, that you can put in your shower to like hang up your razor, so I do have that in there as of now. But I really like this because I was using Venus before, or Gillette, I'm not sure which one, and I could never get like a close shave, and with this, just like 1 or 2 swipes, I get all the hair out, whether it's on my underarms or anywhere else. And also, one thing I do want to mention is when it comes to a lot of women razors out there, a lot of times people don't like it because it doesn't really get the job done. Like I told you guys, 1 or 2 passes with this and you're good to go. So I really recommend this one right here. Okay, so that was my drugstore haul, and I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know some other products out there you would love for me to pick up and try and review on my channel. I cannot wait to use this on my channel as well. trial and just, you know, test them out and see if they're good. But with that being said, I love you guys so much. Make sure you like and subscribe before you do leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one.